Oh, you like her too?
Yeah, aren't you that girl that I bumped in like 2 days ago?
Yeah, I think I was.
Yeah, maybe we should go out for dinner or something.
Yeah, sure. Sounds great. Guys, I met a guy. Oh my god! What's he look like? Is he cute? He's really cute, actually. He's like...
You guys should date then.
Oh my god, hey guys, I met this girl. I can't explain her, she's just so amazing.
We know.
Things are changing, it seems strange, and I knew. Twice